Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this a wavy glamour bow, pulled glamour bow, using 3-inch ribbon. So this is the look that you get, and it's a super pretty one, and it's really simple once you see. There we go. So you need 2 times 52 centimeters in your 3-inch ribbon. I've already got mine ready to go. Don't forget to heat seal your ends in the blue clear bit of your lighter. There we go. And then the first thing we want to do is bring them together, and you only want a little pinch right in the centre, and this is just so you can work out where to bring your folds in. And exactly the same on this side. Bring them together and just do tiny little heat pinch, and this is what you'll have, just a little pinch there. Okay, and then bring one side in, and you want to go like 1 centimetre over here, and then you can take one of your clips and you pop it to hold it in place. And the other thing I do is lift it up once it's where you want it, and take a pin and just pin it just above so that it stays in place. And then you want to bring this side over as well, and again you want this so it's about 1 centimetre over that line. Okay, and then a clip here, make sure it's 1 centimetre there, and then take a pin this side and pin it here. So there's one piece, and then we're going to do exactly the same to this one. Over this way, 1 centimetre over, clip, take your pin, pop it away from you, bring it over, use your guide, 1 centimetre over, flatten it this side, take your pin, pin it away. Okay, and then this is what the back of both will look like, and as you can see they're both the same size. And then what you want to do is bring it so that this now lines up with that crease, and you can move that from here, flatten it down so it all lines up, and put a couple of clips. I do one sort of towards the bottom and one over there. You want to do exactly the same this side where you've got your little pinch. Okay, bring that across, one near the bottom, one near the top. Now in a minute we're going to cut this off, but we're going to use the other side as a guide, and that's why we've left these pins in. And again, use your pinch. This is the back, we're bringing it to meet this bit, to meet that crease. Clip across the top, clip across the bottom, bring it into the centre, across the top, across the top. And then you can cut from this side because you will be able to see this as a guide. So that is across your edge from where you just did. You want to take your blue clear bit, your lighter. You want to heat seal all of this so it's all sort of level. Okay, and that's what you'll have left over. And we want to do exactly the same on this side. So do be careful. Like I said, you don't want to cut the other bit of ribbon, you want to use it as a guide. You'll be able to feel it with your scissors. Can you see I've still got the edges over there? There we go. And this is the bits you will have cut off. And then with your needle and thread, move this out of the way. Make sure you're going through all your layers. You want to start from above. 1, 2, you can now take your pin out this side. 3, 4, 5, and you want your 6th one going up through your points of all of those. 7th going through your points this side. You can take your pin out that side there as well, and then 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And then what I do is line up your creases with your lighter. Go. Make sure you've got no fraying where you've cut all of those edges. And then I would take those ones off as well. I just got my thread all. Show you a trick if this ever happens. Just fake thread like that, and it pulls it all sort of straight. As you can see, you've got 3 creases on each of your like petal areas. I'm going to do the same again. Remember, you can take your pin out from the other side. So from above, make sure you capture all your layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, take the pin out that side, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, take clip off, take clip off, take clip off, line up all your creases, take your lighter where all that fraying is, give it a little bit of hit in the blue clear bit of the flame to clean it all up. And then you can bring it all together, and then what I do is I bring all of that back together this side and re-go through round. Now you can sew the 2 bits separately or and then glue them together. I just prefer to do it in this cinched loop method. It gives you like a more like curved look to the bow. If you sew them in 2 pieces and glue them, you get a slightly more squared look to your bow. But I think the curved way makes it like sit more nicely against the back of the head. And then I'm just going to put a stitch through the back. Just over the creases a little. Oh, careful you don't hurt yourself. Accident prone today. There we go. So that's our centre all nicely cinched. Just do one last back stitch off. There we go. And this is the look that you get. And as I said, you get your little curve to your bow. And then I'm going to take a 60mm clip. Actually 70. I had one ready on my desk. And on the back, pop that across. And I've got some matching 9mm. Around the centre. 1, 2, nice and tight. See? Tidy that up. There we go. So that's what it looks like just by itself. And then if you wanted to, you could take some of your leftover, and I'm going to do a wide scrunch ribbon. What you want to do is use your thumb, make your S shape, V shape. Heat seal it in that blue clear bit of the lighter. And then do the same the opposite side. You want to try and make your S nice and even. There we go. Carefully your fingers. So this is what you'll look like. And on the flat side, put the glue, bring it to an angle over here, and then wrap it over the top, and then bring it at an angle this side. Open and clip back up. And you've got a nice wide scrunch. And like I said, you can do a knot, or you could do your standard middle, and it looks really pretty either way. And it's actually much more simple than it looks, and you can play around with your colours using double-sided ribbon, etc., things like that, and see how you like the look. Thanks for watching. Bye.